Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rotate multiple text boxes at once using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option, this menu bar, and now select this edit option and drag your mouse and select multiple text boxes. And see this, you can simply select one by one text boxes and drag your mouse and select multiple. And see this rotation icon showing here, and put your mouse cursor on this rotation icon and rotation icon showing, and drag your mouse cursor left and right. You can move your texts and see this multiple text boxes now rotate. Also I will rotate this all of these text boxes. Simply drag your mouse and select all of these text boxes and put your mouse cursor on this rotation icon and you can rotate and see this and move them. Yeah, this is in this way you can rotate all of your text boxes at once. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.